Out here, Plant City, Florida, working on a freestanding pool cage, about 45 by 30. Typically take us about 3-4 days to get it done. Getting wall posted now, get all the framing done, and have this thing knocked out in a few days.
So now we have basically the walls are up and starting to take shape. Get ready for chair rail, and tomorrow we'll be putting up the roof, and we'll go from there and see how it goes.
Isaac here with True Aluminum. I hope you enjoyed seeing that ground up build. We would love to help you with your next project, whatever it may be, an extension, screen porch, pool cage, lanai, gutters, whatever it is, give us a call, we got you.